The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon is Russia's first fifth-generation stealth multirole fighter jet, developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau under the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, for the Russian Aerospace Forces. Designed to compete with Western fifth-generation fighters such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, the Su-57 combines stealth technology, high maneuverability, advanced avionics, and multirole combat capability into one formidable air superiority platform. Initially known as the PAC-FA, Prospective Aviation Complex of Frontline Aviation, during development, the Su-57 first took flight on January 29, 2010, and entered limited service in 2020. Its primary design goals were to achieve supercruise, supermaneuverability, low radar observability, and multispectral sensor fusion, a combination rarely achieved outside the United States. The Su-57 is powered by two Saturn AL-41F1 afterburning turbofan engines, each producing around 32,000 pounds of thrust, enabling the aircraft to reach speeds exceeding Mach 2 and supercruise at Mach 1.3 without afterburners. Later production models are expected to feature the more powerful ISDALI A30 engines, offering better fuel efficiency and reduced infrared signature. The Su-57's stealth design relies on radar-absorbent materials, internal weapons bays, and carefully contoured surfaces to reduce radar cross-section, RCS, though analysts note it may not be as stealthy as its American counterparts. Its airframe, built primarily from composite materials, enhances radar deflection and reduces overall weight while maintaining structural strength. With a length of 20.1 meters, a wingspan of 14.1 meters, and an empty weight of about 18,000 kilograms, the Su-57 is larger than most Western jets but highly agile, thanks to 3D thrust vectoring nozzles and advanced fly-by-wire flight control systems. This allows it to perform extreme aerobatic maneuvers, such as the Cobra and Culbert, which give it an edge in close-quarters dogfighting. The Su-57's avionics suite includes an N036 Belco AESA radar system, incorporating multiple radars across the aircraft's nose and wings for 360-degree coverage, an infrared search and track (IRST) system for passive detection, and a digital glass cockpit with advanced data integration. Its sensor fusion technology allows the pilot to combine radar, infrared, and electronic warfare inputs into a single real-time threat map, similar to the situational awareness systems on Western jets. The Su-57 carries a mix of air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missiles, including R-77M, R-74, and Kh-59 Mk2, along with guided bombs and hypersonic weapons in its internal bays to maintain stealth. When stealth is less critical, it can use external hardpoints to expand its payload capacity beyond 10,000 kg. The cockpit's modern design includes a single-seat layout, an ejection seat, and an integrated helmet-mounted display (HMD) system. The aircraft's defensive suite, known as Himalayas, integrates radar jamming, missile approach warning, and electronic countermeasure systems. Despite delays in production due to technical challenges and funding issues, the Su-57 continues to evolve. Russia plans to produce over 70 units by 2030, and export versions are being considered under the name Su-57E, potentially for countries like India and Algeria. Operationally, the Su-57 has reportedly seen limited combat use in Syria and Ukraine, mainly for testing weapons and electronic systems under real conditions. In comparison with U.S. fighters, the Su-57 emphasizes supermaneuverability and versatility over absolute stealth, following a Russian doctrine that prioritizes close-range dogfighting and multi-mission flexibility. The jet's combination of speed, agility, and firepower, along with ongoing engine and avionics upgrades, make it a formidable asset in modern air combat. Though its stealth and sensor fusion capabilities may not yet match the F-22 Raptor or F-35 Lightning II, the Su-57's design reflects Russia's focus on cost-effective innovation and adaptability. As the centerpiece of Russia's next-generation fighter program, The Su-57 symbolizes Moscow's commitment to regaining aerial parity with Western powers, blending Soviet-era ruggedness with 21st-century aerospace engineering. In the broader context of global military aviation, the Su-57 Felon represents not only technological ambition but also a strategic counterbalance to the dominance of the United States air power, making it one of the most discussed and closely watched fighter jets in the world today.